Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am glad to know that you all are taking keen interest in studies and regularly are following the channel Ali Law College, Rahim Yar Khan. Inshallah, these lectures will be very beneficial for you. No doubt, you all are intelligent and responsible students. Keep it up. Good result is waiting for you. Dear learners, our today topic is parameter and area of 2D shapes. First of all, we are going to see what is parameter and area. Parameter. Parameter is defined as the total length of boundary surrounding a two-dimensional or 2D shapes. इसका मतलब है कि अगर कोई 2D शेप है उसके आप चारों तरफ से जितना आप लेंगे लेंथ जो होगी वो उसके पैरामीटर के बराबर होगी. इट मेजर द डिस्टेंस रिक्वायर्ड टू गो अराउंड द शेप. चारों तरफ से जब आप उसकी लेंथ विड्थ फिर लेंथ एंड देन आल्सो विड्थ इनको प्लस करेंगे तो आपके पास पैरामीटर आ जाएगा. पैरामीटर इज यूज्ड इन fencing a garden, agriculture land or playground, installing borders, tiles or edge decorations, forming pictures, paintings or rectangular objects. Now we come towards the area. Area measures the amount of space enclosed within the boundary of 2D shapes. Area एक जो कोई भी 2D शेप है उसके अंदर अंदर का जो इलाका होता है that is area. Now we describe its importance. Area calculations are essentials in construction objects as painting walls, fixing tiles and flooring the rooms. There are many other fields in which area is used as landscaping and farming. For example, calculating plots, lawns are different fields. Dear students, area is also used in real estate documentations for plot sizing and property assessments. Now we are going to describe only two shapes here. Number one, square, and other is rectangle. Square is a special type of quadrilateral with some properties. For example, as a square has 4 equal sides. Number two, our 4 angles are right angles. It means all angles have 90-degree value. Number third, opposite sides are parallel. Number four, its diagonals are equal in length and bisect each other at 90-degree. Formula to find parameter of a square will be as P is equal to 4 multiply length of side. And area will be equal to side multiply side, or in other words we can say side square. Now come to the next 2D shape, that is rectangle. A rectangle is a four-sided polygon or quadrilateral with two equal pair of parallel sides and four right angles. Angle means having 90-degree value. Dear students, now we see some basic properties of rectangle, that are: in rectangular shape, opposite sides are equal in length. All interior angles are of 90-degree. Diagonals are equal in length and bisect each other at center. The sum of interior angle is always equal to 360-degree. I think this lecture will help you to understand basic concepts of parameters and area. Be happy. Thanks.